Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and I just wanted to put together a quick video exclusively to cover what are the new features that we are releasing for SyndBuddy in this 2.0 version. Okay, so one of the best things for you as a user is our content generator. Okay, this is what's going to allow you to come into SyndBuddy and submit your URL and your keywords as quickly as possible. Okay, with our content generator, literally it's going to take you no more than 60 seconds to come in here and submit your campaigns as soon as you get access to SyndBuddy. Okay, so the first thing you do when you add a new social share campaign so the army can start sharing your content is to name it. You fill out the URLs, the category, your URLs, the keywords, the category, how much total shares you want and how many per day you want, if you do want to set limits to that. And then down here is where the content generator goes. So literally, if you were doing something in affiliate marketing, you click generate, and within 2 seconds, this has now been populated with your content to go attached with the information that you input over here. Okay, so literally that's all you have to do now to ensure that you have content attached to your campaigns. Previously, you would have had to write something into these boxes that matches your campaigns so that people can share it. Okay, so that is one of the best updates that we have there. It literally makes it as easy as just clicking a few buttons to submit your campaigns. Literally anyone can do this within 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, another feature that we have added is the ability for users to embed your videos as well. So if you're going to be using SyndBuddy to rank videos, you can put a video URL here, and SyndBuddy members will also be embedding your video, which extremely helps when it comes to ranking videos. Okay, and that's on top of also getting a backlink from wherever that content is being posted. Okay, another thing that we've added, which is one of our upgrade features, will be the ability for you to submit your campaigns to our indexing service. Okay, this is going to be upgrade number 2, so make sure you look out for that. All you're going to have to do is just click one button, and all of the URLs that SyndBuddy members build for you, so all of these here that you'll be able to see on the reports page, will get submitted to our indexing system to get even more results for you. Okay, so if you have no idea what indexing is, just do a quick Google search about indexing, and you'll see that it does dramatically boost your results because it allows Google to find more of these links that members build for you. Okay, and even if you don't know what it is, we've made it as simple as just clicking one box and it gets submitted to our indexing system. Okay, so another very powerful feature as well is we've integrated with Spin Rewriter. Okay, so if you have a Spin Rewriter account, you'll be able to take this content that the content generator creates for you and make it even more unique. Okay, and lastly, one of the most important updates as well is our auto share feature. Okay, this is what is going to pretty much allow you to guarantee that you get real social shares from other members, because like I said, SyndBuddy is built on the buddy system where I share your content, you share my content. But before the 2.0 release, you would have had to come in here and manually share other members' content. Now, in just one click, you can set up auto share. Okay, so you just click this lightning bolt over here, this opens up, you click save, and that's it. Okay, auto share has been updated. Now my account and all the accounts that I have set up in here, so if I come to targets, it's going to start sharing other members' content on my social accounts as well. Okay, so this is another very powerful update. You can see I have 33 sites selected where I'm going to be sharing other members' content as well. So like I said, it's the I scratch your back, you scratch my back system. So it takes 2 seconds to set this up, as you saw as well. And if you don't have any accounts to add in here, remember you are getting a bonus, which is Syn Creator, which creates all of these accounts for you. Okay, so you can create a brand new set of accounts that you use exclusively with SyndBuddy to start sharing other members' accounts. And on top of that, that allows you to earn credits so that other members can share your content as well. Okay, so it's the perfect system that we've set up. Okay, and these 2.0 features are taking SyndBuddy to the next level as well. It makes it easier and faster for you to submit campaigns. It makes it easier and faster for you to get your the links that members are building for you indexed. It makes it easier and faster for you to get unique spun content with the spin rewriter integration. And it makes it easier and faster for you to share other members' content as well, so that everyone is truly helping each other. Okay, so, and another thing that I forgot to mention is our very powerful and automated SyndBuddy email update system that we've added as well, where every week, every Monday, you're going to get a full report of everything that's going on in your account for the last week. So you can see over this last week, I got 834 shares over 9 different campaigns, and 19 other SyndBuddy members shared my campaigns over those last 7 days. Okay, so this is yet another powerful update so that you don't even have to worry about logging into SyndBuddy to check your stats. Every Monday, you're going to get this email that gives you a full breakdown of everything that's going on with your campaigns. Make sure that you pick up your copy of SyndBuddy today and get access to this very powerful, done-for-you social syndication platform where you're getting real members sharing your content on their platforms.